What's up guys, BeardedReality here. So today we're in like Cheshire way and we're going to be doing this abandoned farm and with Emma and Jason today, so do like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. The place looks massive and yeah, we'll see how this kind of goes. Hey, it's open. This place is massive. It's definitely seen a lot of damage. And we're in. This is old. This place has seen a lot of damage, hasn't it?
Yeah.
They're probably gonna end up demolishing it. Look at that fireplace. See, this is one thing I love about farms, just low ceilings. Oh, it stinks.
You smell it, can't you?
Oh, it's flooded.
It's what, flooded?
Yeah, down below in the basement.
Go down.
Well, I'm gonna.
Look this way.
Like, fully all the way. Ugh. Oh, there's plates and stuff in there. That's deep, you know.
That's stinks.
That's what it is.
Where's that down?
Thanks.
I was like my feet after that stream.
Yeah, down that as well.
It's a lovely place though, look at how it's built, but that's what that smell is.
Go for an emergency,
Emergency poo?
Yeah.
It's massive. Oh, look at that. Glitter. See the baby chair?
It's quite modern, isn't it?
Yes, it is modern, isn't it?
Well, I assumed like through flooding or something, it's just weird.
Are you tired?
Always tired, mate. Have you seen silk floors? A lot of that. I've seen that's the second one. Here's something I noticed there, the travel suites. It's a weird thing. I've got a feeling like this has been abandoned for quite a while.
Yeah.
Ironing board. Some bits here, old cellar like ladder bit in it. I've got a feeling we're going to find stuff like mailing the outbuildings. It's usually the case with places like this. Hey, that's a weird design, but I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the way it's made.
It's real, that as well.
It's real, yeah?
Yeah. I've spotted that. Hey, isn't that like Christmas decorations? Like Christmas decorations, isn't it? I love these stairs, by the way.
It's wallpaper in here, though.
Yeah, I had a look.
I mean, it's quite modern.
Look, Christmas decorations.
Oh, yeah.
Christmas tree.
Oh, it's one of those ones.
This is slip from roof, isn't it?
Whoa. Just be careful up here.
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot of damage. Look at the bath. Like it's on its own legs there, man. Kids' room, I think. On Monday, Wednesday. Love a moon. Save the date. Emma and Andy are getting married, are they? Seems like a kiddie
You won't
room.
believe everything you think.
See the damage to the place, man. So you got your own little private ensuite on here, and that goes up to the roof. I'm not going to climb that though. The tiling on that's nice though. Like that. That a poo?
Is that where?
Oh, it's from the bath, innit? I think. Trying to think where the bath would have been. Ooh. Ooh. Ah, it would have been in this room here. I think. Oh, look at that. Once upon a time, that's cute. My kids' room. Oh, it stinks like turds over here though. I'm moving over that way. Stinks like an old turd. Ugh.
What?
Look at the damage. Ah, here's the bathroom.
Yeah.
But it's caved in from the roof. Maybe that's why they moved it. Let's have a look, see. How clean are you? Well, you are clean. That looks fresh-ish.
It's alright, yeah. That's a
Want to toilet? Yeah.
That's a kiddie seat, that.
This is also new, this.
That's a kiddie seat, that.
Well, it's only a couple of years, but you can see. I think it's got to be like structural damage.
Yeah.
It's got to be something like that for this place to become this, and then obviously trashed,
I want them to not be.
and then obviously trashed down the line.
You don't like tiles in here, then? You don't like tiles in here?
Look at that. Look at this Dimplex.
New, isn't it? It's like,
This is your big bedroom.
Which is that a crow?
Yeah?
yeah, real.
It's Russell.
It's Russell.
Russell Crowe.
It's pretty much this property, isn't it? I want to go check out those outbuildings though. But farms always have stuff, so I'm gonna have to go see. You know about these tiles here? Bottom ones I'm not bothered about. I mean, they're just cheap. Rubbish ones.
Red ones, I just thought I'd ask you if you'd seen them.
No, yeah, the rubbish
I know
ones,
you've
those
got a
ones.
fetish for them, that's all.
The rubbish tiles, those.
Like the old fashioned
Yeah.
Like farmhouse ones. The slate come off this roof is ridiculous. Ugh. Don't think you've had slate thieves though. It's got to be structural damage though. For why this place is like, you notice like a lot of the old abandoned ones are like that. Let's go this way then. Let's go have a little venture. It's like such a random location as well. Yeah, with that light, it almost looks like it's working.
Excuse me, sir, can I help you?
Oh yeah, sorry mate, I'm just gonna explore your abandoned property. Oh, that's cool. It's a kiddie room. It's a makeshift kiddie room. With kid chalk. I don't say kid chalk, but you know what I mean? That's well cute. That's well cute, that. Right, more this way. Oh. So I've actually found quite a few farms in this area, so there'll be lots to kind of see around here. I love that. That's one feature I just missed. All the slates, but look at that. I love little features like that in homes. Now this is where it becomes fun. Look at that old truck. There's another house over there. I was correct. Look, everything's dumped. There's another house there. That's another house.
What is?
Behind us. Yeah, look at the place. So this would have been like a back entrance. It's not a back to back, is it?
No, we come out.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey. What's going on here? It is. Oh, I found something at the back up there. I just saw like a little flashy light in there. There, see it? Caravan there, look. It was a caravan.
Yeah.
I'm going to this bit here. Yeah, it's been damaged. They can't have had 24-hour security on here. Jesus. How old's the food? Look at these Cocoa Pops. Who are they? Choco Snaps.
Oh, they're the old things, aren't they? The
I think it's only been a couple of years though.
Yeah.
Max of 10. Minimum of 5.
Yeah.
There's stuff in here, look. I don't know if it's all been breeze blocked though. We will see. Warning, security cameras.
Yeah. And then you've got all this here.
See, look, you can't have security cameras when you've got that there like that.
Is it what?
The security camera's been cut off. Stuff in here. Oh, mate. Motherlord.
No, that back door's open, isn't it?
What, where?
Right to back, is that back door?
Nah, that's open on that side, it's breeze blocked. Oh, it's mad.
Yeah, sorry.
Ulster Weavers.
I'm in.
Hey, you see that? Do not piss in the drain. Oh, is that we?
Looks like orange just 'cause it's got the ring at the top.
Orange juice of we. Yeah, we've hit something goldy, you know. That's to say, and I hope.
I hope, yeah.
It's like a little door, isn't it?
It's like what's going on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I found some porn. Hello, porn. Yeah, bikes and stuff have been stalling here, aren't they?
Yeah. Riders.
Oh, hey, we've got some bike stuff.
Yeah. Oh, bike here.
They're bike. I think somebody's been here to strip, haven't they? So we're gonna have to be careful. Oh, there is a bike.
Thinking that somebody's.
No, somebody's come and strip that, look.
Yeah.
Boobies.
What, where? Me? That's mad.
Most.
What's this? That's just a... Hey, picture. Classic.
Ah.
Somebody's been... I know. Somebody's been stripping them. All TV.
No.
Woman's clothes, gas. That moment when you're sure you're going to either meet a crackhead or a body. Who are you? These are the photos. This guy must have owned it.
Oh, yeah.
I think the security people have left this for quite a while.
Bigger tyres for my car.
They are pretty big tyres. Like again, farms and tyres, isn't it? It's always a thing. But it's all PC stuff, isn't it?
Yeah. That's an awning for the caravan. Caravan awning.
First aid stuff, hoovers, Star Trek, motherboards.
Star Trek? Who watches Star Trek?
Is
Sorry to any viewers if I...
that a arcade machine?
I think so.
What have we stumbled upon? I need your help with this. You know what we found. Lift it up, ready?
Ready?
There you go.
1, 2.
Oh, it's a vending machine. It looked like an arcade machine. I got excited.
Spanish.
Well, that woman over there looked a bit Spanish. I don't know.
Look here about like that.
Stinks in here. There's loads of stuff in there.
Yeah.
But there's going to be more further back. This. Whoa, what was that? Ah, keys.
There you go. Pull that stuff out.
Ah, somebody's come to like thief from here.
Yeah.
Oh, you know it.
This is where I thought we're open.
Nah.
No, we're looking in.
Shed there. What is even here? Look at that.
That's a veto, that.
No, look at that.
What's that work? It's ridiculous, isn't it?
Prison break. It's mad, man.
Got all these DVDs.
Tunisia. Huh?
It's an old fire guard. Do you know when you
That
put
is,
old coal
yes.
fire?
No, it is.
He is there. There's some all that and some ice skates as well. Well, I guarantee when he walks past here, he'll go, hello, Ian.
Hey, look at the old bike wheels.
Yeah.
What's that? Smirnoff? Oh, it's a drunk kind of thing.
Five unicorns on it.
Oh yeah, that is nice. There's some nice things that are left over here, but again, somebody's broken into access. What's hidden behind that?
I've had a look here now.
No, it's an old trough, isn't it? But
No, the old trough was the front from some kind of, like old.
well, again, all this stuff is a lot older than the actual house itself, though.
Yeah.
Well, not itself, in terms of like it being modernised. They're ice skates.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, see, this, I don't get it with farms. It's like generations and generations of hoarding.
CSI New York.
Snack in the box.
Oh, I'll get some snacks.
No, maybe they were selling stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the walk was it.
Snack in a box.
Star Trek. I think they were selling knocked off DVDs then.
Nah, that'll just be for the kids there.
What, CSI?
Yeah? Unless you've got multiple copies.
Dan, I wonder if that was a pet.
Maybe, what, a tiger? The most haunted graveyards in Britain? Most haunted live?
Yeah, done.
Yeah. No, I don't know, it's
Yeah.
season 1, part 1, disc 2, part 1, disc 1.
It's done.
Yeah, it's not going to be for sale.
Of course they will. What we've got? Yeah, find the next one.
Well, it's just somebody's life, isn't it? But this is all the extra stuff. This is not from the...
Yeah, this is stuff that they're stored in here, isn't it?
Look at all the kids stuff.
Yeah.
Oh! Ovens. Look at that. That's an old one.
All boxes.
Yeah, all this is... I hate seeing stuff like this, but like all kids' work.
Like you say, it's sentimental stuff, isn't it?
Well, there's that, and it creeps me out seeing just kids' toys left.
That will creep me out.
Like this, for example. Look at that.
What?
The kid drew that.
Yeah. Something you kept here, isn't it?
Well, you'd think so, but unless somebody's died, or I don't know. Hey, it's a Tigger. Hey up, Tigger.
Oh, very good then.
Dad,
Yeah, all board games.
found a gun.
Oh yeah.
What?
I would be surprised if there was a gun here, you know. Hidden away from somewhere. You gotta remember, this is only Unit 1.
It's what?
This is only Unit 1.
Yeah.
Carrying on, there is something mad over here. Like, actually mad. I think we've still got another unit. There is, apart from couches and random things, a boat. There's an actual boat just chilling on the property. Like, are you actually kidding me? What is this doing? It's a boat. An actual boat. Mad, innit? Reckon that's open? I reckon you're gonna open it and find out. And I'll open it. Nah.
Somebody's been in there. They've gone in for a road.
Can't have got it for that ease.
Yeah, say no, but.
What's it saying?
There's just like mattresses and stuff. Well, there's another door over here, and it looks like they've messed about with that door, and I don't know. Anything in there though? Oh, they run off with all the equipment. I can't believe there's a boat.
I love boats.
We've still got this other house here to do. So we've got some more stuff here. Look how that's been set out.
It's on fire, isn't it?
This bit has. But, like I said, there's that other house. It's not a bunker, is it?
Oh, it's just a manhole.
Right, so we're going to go check this other house bit out, and then we're going to go have a look at the boat. And a boat, good looking. We've got full of stuff over here as well. And is that a big car park? Isn't it? What's that from?
What?
Right there.
Caravan?
Ah.
I bet they did caravan stuff here.
Yeah. Alright, caravan.
Oh, look at the damage going in there. But like, look at him. Look, go and look over here. Look. Look at it. Jam packed. That's clothing, shoes, rubbish. Like just storage for crap, innit? I wonder if homeless people have just been like, I don't know, on a looting spree. I don't know. What the? It's like one of those really massive hoarders. Do you know? Have you ever seen those episodes of like American people that hoard ridiculous amounts? Wow, there! Come on, look at this. Is that porn? Kids stuff. There's
Caravan tops.
to say that the house is the way it is with very little left behind. But I told you, it's always these outhouses that have everything. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, we're in this one. We're in this caravan here. Oh, the door's locked in from the other side. Ugh. And I'm not seeing needles. I'm not seeing. Hi, birds. I'm not seeing just things. You know what I mean? Trashed. Ugh. Alright, let's look at the fire damage one. Yo! Check this out. Old tables. Proper old tables. A lot of old furniture. Ugh. Look at that, it's a deadly one, that. And it feels like I've been in a war. Don't think that fire's too old though. So we've got like another unit over here. So this is like unit 2. With more stuff. Look at this tiger. More car parts, look. A lot of paint. You see the spice rack? Oh, we're saying over here, you see the more car parts?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, it's been, like, parts have been stripped.
Yeah, it's...
Why do you always find a mattress in the most random of places?
I reckon this is where we did all the caravans in here.
Nah, it's too much stuff. It's too much stuff, like, to have all the caravans
Caravan
around.
storage and builders, wasn't it? Look at all that paint and that out there. All...
Yeah, but, like, to be fair, I've seen many farms have 2 or 3, 4 caravans. My own, none had them.
Yeah, but if you look at all the...
That's not a caravan, though. You know what that is?
It's all cash and that. Okay. But look,
Isn't that like a beetle?
Eh?
That a beetle, or is it a Volks? Look off, look.
Oh, that's nice, to be fair.
I think it might be a beetle the way it curved.
Yeah,
So go further down?
No, just as these two.
Hey, look at these. Celery seed, white pepper. They're nice, those.
Do you know what they did?
Huh?
They built show caravans. Right? You know these?
Yeah.
When my granddad bought their caravan, you had them in.
Yeah.
Hey, we missed this. I think. Unit 1, Unit 2.
Yeah.
You got your house. I mean, I don't know, there's parts and stuff here, but that's like an oven, mate.
Dan,
What?
yourself a new GoPro, look.
What?
A new GoPro. This is new Canon GoPro
Canon
11.
Sure Shot, as if. That cork's fresh. Yeah, 2023.
Yeah. Morning.
Drink some. Drink some.
Imagine that. Yeah, on caravan poles, look. Awnings.
Yeah.
And tents.
Yeah, but then you'd have more caravans on site, surely. I'm just seeing car parts. Not parts for caravans, really. Alright, so I wouldn't be thinking I'd be coming on a farm and I'm in a boat. Like, Jesus. And the maddest thing about this, hopefully I don't die when he does this, is the boat moves. Come on then, up you come.
Watch us end up on floor.
Do you feel it just move though? It's like you're on the sea.
It's like what's on.
No, like, so go over it, look. Oh, I hope it don't tip off now, but look.
Yeah.
I just jump a bit. Look at it. Look at it. You jump now, just jump a bit over here. Look at it shake. Oh, it's mad, isn't it? I wouldn't think, you wouldn't... Gotta be, it doesn't look like there's any holes. Well, apart from that big one.
Back corner. Huh?
So guys, that is the end of this explore. What a place! Like I said, I've been looking around Cheshire area and finding some amazing places. We've still got more to do. I'm on a boat. On a farm. Landlocked. It's just crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed that. Do like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the explores, the videos. Let me know what you guys want to see. That's pretty much it. Do like, comment, subscribe, and peace. I'm out.